Unlock FCA, Renault, and Nissan gateways easily with Topdon. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, the place where car diagnostics, programming tools, and hidden automotive knowledge all come alive. Now before we roll into today's topic, here's a quick and important disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Everything I share is to help technicians, learners, and enthusiasts like you understand the process better. All trademarks belong to their respective owners, and you should always follow manufacturer guidelines and local laws when performing any kind of work on a vehicle. All right, let me start with something interesting. Have you ever wondered how you can actually buy those secure gateway licenses directly from the Topdon website without getting confused or stuck halfway? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. And here's the fun part. I want to hear from you in the comments. Which gateway do you think is the most important for your work right now? FCA, Renault, or Nissan? Share your answer below. Also, before we dive in, let's set a little challenge for this video. Let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in just 1 week. It sounds huge, but together we can make it happen. And don't forget, you can also hype this video. It's totally free, super fun, and it actually helps push Baabji Motors higher on the YouTube charts, so more people like us can discover it. Now, let's get into the step-by-step guide. So here's the deal. Topdon has now made it much easier to purchase official security gateways for different vehicle brands. This means you can buy direct access for FCA, Renault, Nissan, and more brands are coming very soon. And the best part is, these gateways are compatible with a wide range of Topdon devices. That includes all the Phoenix series tools like the Phoenix Lite, Phoenix Nano, Phoenix Plus, Phoenix Max, Phoenix Smart, and Phoenix Xlink. It also works with the Topdon UltraDiag and even the portable Topscan devices. So if you already own one of these, you're good to go. Now, how do you actually purchase? It's simple. First, visit the official Topdon security gateway page. If you already have a Topdon account, just log in with your email and password. If not, you'll need to create a new account. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, head over to the Purchase Center and look for the Secure Gateway Token section. This is where the real action happens. Let's start with the Renault gateway options. Topdon offers multiple token plans depending on how much access you need for the year. For example, you can get 5 tokens, valid for 5 uses in 1 year, for $147.99 US. If you need a bit more, 10 tokens for $252.99 might be a better fit. For mid-level users, 20 tokens are available at $463.99. But if you're working frequently, you can grab 50 tokens for $1,053.99 or even go up to 100 tokens for $1,685.99, both valid for a full year. Keep in mind, tax is not included in these prices. Once you select the plan that matches your work, you simply pay using PayPal. Moving on to FCA. For European users, the FCA gateway comes in the form of a 1-year unlimited license. That means you don't need to count tokens. It's completely unlimited for an entire year at a cost of $229.99. Now, for American users, things work a bit differently. Instead of buying directly from Topdon, you'll need to purchase your FCA SGW license from AutoAuth and then register your Topdon scanner there. Full instructions for that are provided on the AutoAuth platform. And then we have the Nissan gateway licenses, which work very similar to Renault. Again, these are available for European users directly through Topdon. You can choose from different token packages: 5 tokens for $147.99, 10 tokens for $252.99, 20 tokens for $463.99, 50 tokens for $1,053.99, or 100 tokens for $1,685.99, all valid for 1 year. Once again, you make your payment via PayPal and you're set. But just like FCA, if you're an American user, you'll need to get your Nissan SGW license through AutoAuth and register your device there. And here's something extra. You don't even have to purchase authorization only from the website. Topdon also lets you buy gateway access directly through the device itself, which makes it even more convenient if you're already working on-site or don't want to switch over to the computer. So that's the entire process of how to purchase FCA, Renault, and Nissan gateway licenses directly from the Topdon platform. Pretty straightforward once you know where to click, right? Now, before we wrap up, let's go back to the question I asked earlier. Which gateway do you think is the most important for your work at this moment? If you guessed Renault, you're spot on, because Renault tends to lock down their gateways the most, making access crucial for technicians. Personally, I think the FCA license is a great investment for those working in Europe, especially with that unlimited option. It just makes life easier. But that's my take. I'd love to hear yours in the comments, so don't hold back. And here's a fun fact before you go. Did you know that the very concept of security gateways in vehicles was introduced to prevent cyber attacks on cars? Yep, it's not just about locking diagnostics. It's literally about keeping vehicles safe from hackers. Pretty wild, right? So let's close strong. If you found value in this video, please help us hit that goal of 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Drop your thoughts, hype this video to push it up the YouTube charts, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It's free for you, but life-changing for Baabji Motors. And hey, if you really enjoyed this content, hitting that super thanks button makes a massive difference too. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, happy diagnosing.